Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting family-friendly RVs of the future, the 2026 Toyota camper truck. This isn't just another camper. Toyota has redefined what it means to travel in comfort, blending cutting-edge technology, incredible space efficiency, and family-first design into one ultimate adventure vehicle. So, whether you're planning long road trips, off-grid camping, or just looking for a home on wheels that fits the whole family, stay tuned, because this camper truck checks every single box. Number 1, Toyota's approach. Toyota has always been known for reliability. Think about models like the Tacoma, Tundra, or even the Highlander, all vehicles families trust for years of worry-free driving. Now, with the 2026 camper truck, Toyota is taking that same reputation and combining it with next-gen hybrid technology and intelligent design. But what makes this camper truck stand out is how it's been engineered specifically with families in mind. Toyota didn't just make a vehicle to live in, they designed a lifestyle machine, something that lets you travel, explore, and relax without ever feeling cramped. Number 2, sleeping arrangements. Let's talk about one of the biggest headaches for families on the road, sleeping space. Most camper trucks claim they can sleep 4 or 5, but when you actually get inside, it feels more like squeezing into a sardine can. The Toyota camper truck fixes that. It comes with 3 dedicated beds. A queen-size bed over cab, perfect for parents. A convertible dinette bed that folds down into a comfortable sleeping spot for kids. And an extendable rear bunk system, which can comfortably sleep 2 smaller children or even a teenager. That means you can sleep up to 5 or 6 people without compromise. No one has to crash on the floor, and no one is fighting for elbow room. For families, that's a game changer. Number 3, spacious bathroom. Now, here's something you rarely find in a camper truck, a full-size bathroom. Toyota has somehow fit a spacious wet bath into this vehicle, complete with shower, toilet, and sink. What's more, they've added smart water management technology. The system automatically recycles gray water through a purifier, so you can extend your showers and reduce refill stops. For families, that means less stress about water usage and more freedom to camp off-grid. And let's be honest, travel with kids means bathroom breaks are frequent. Having a clean, private bathroom on board saves you from scrambling at highway rest stops. Number 4, modern kitchen. Now let's step into the kitchen. And trust me, this is where the 2026 Toyota camper truck really shines. We're talking about a full modern kitchen setup, a dual-burner induction cooktop for quick meals, a smart fridge and freezer combo that adjusts cooling based on outside temperature, a microwave convection oven so you can bake, reheat, or cook with ease, tons of counter space thanks to Toyota's fold-out design. And here's the coolest part. The kitchen comes with voice-activated controls. Imagine saying, preheat oven to 350, and it just happens. Families on the go will appreciate how quick and efficient this kitchen really is. Number 5, family comfort and living space. But what about when you're not cooking or sleeping? That's where the living area comes in. The Toyota camper truck has a spacious central lounge, complete with a convertible dining table, a modular seating system that slides and swivels, built-in storage for games, books, or electronics. There's also a built-in entertainment hub with a 32-inch smart TV, surround speakers, and wireless charging pads everywhere. So whether the family is winding down with a movie or playing board games, there's space and tech to keep everyone happy. Number 6, driving and safety. Of course, a camper isn't just about living space. It's also about the drive. The 2026 Toyota camper truck is built on Toyota's next-gen hybrid powertrain, which combines a turbocharged V6 with electric motors. That means plenty of power for towing, instant torque for mountain climbs, and way better fuel efficiency than traditional gas-guzzling RVs. Safety is another huge factor for families. Toyota has included Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera system for easy parking. So whether you're driving cross-country highways or backing into a tight camping spot, this camper truck has your back. Number 7. Storage solutions. Now, let's not forget one of the most underrated aspects of family camping, storage. Toyota has nailed it with overhead cabinets, underbed storage, a rear gear garage big enough for bikes, paddleboards, or camping chairs. Every inch of space is maximized, so you don't feel like you're drowning in clutter. Families with kids know how fast things pile up, and Toyota has designed this camper to handle it all. Number 8. Why families love it. So, let's break down why families are already falling in love with the 2026 Toyota camper truck. 3 real beds mean everyone sleeps comfortably. A spacious bathroom makes life on the road so much easier. A modern kitchen means home-style meals anywhere. Smart storage solutions keep things organized. Hybrid power and Toyota safety give peace of mind. And the off-grid capability means more adventure with less worry. This isn't just a camper. It's a family freedom machine, giving you the ability to go anywhere, do anything, and still feel like you're at home.